Alright, today we're going to design a PCB using EasyEDA. Now we just click the software on our desktop 2 times and just wait a second. Now click new project and enter the name for the project you want to create. Here I'll name it encoder PCB and then click save. Next, to create the schematic, go to the project design on the left hand side of the screen. Right click on your project name, you'll then see options appear, including schematic and PCB layout. Select the schematic. We will now search the necessary components for our encoder PCB. To search the parts from the EasyEDA library, just click Shift+F and place them onto the schematic. What we need is one IEDC 2x10 pin connector, 5 SMD resistor, 10 SMD capacitor, 1 SMD LED, and then 10 4-pin connectors. Now, let's wire the components, connect pins accurately to prevent layout issue, ensure you add 5 volts and ground where needed. For the connection methods, use the wire tool, click W on your keyboard, and then click the start pin, then click the end pin. And you can choose the net flex. Use 5 volts and ground symbols from wiring tools for power connection. For a simpler way, we'll look for tools name place, then choose the one called net flex here. We not only can connect each component with a cable, but also with net port at the place part. We also choose in the name, and for the net port name, we adjust it according to our needs. You can see now that the schematic we made is already complete. Then we continue to the next stage, which is making the PCB layout. The way to do it is, we look for tool name design at the top, then select update or convert to PCB, then click apply changes. Now we need to tidy up the layout of the components so that it will be easier when making the wiring tracks on the PCB later. We use the layers in making this PCB, so don't forget to install its capacitor and also resistor with flip to opposite. The way is by clicking the component. After that, click the mouse on the right clicking, then selecting to flip to opposite. Next, we will block one PCB. The first step is to use the tools place, then line, select the rectangle. After that, create a box that covers all components. To make the block, we select tools again and this time choose the chopper region rectangle. For the net, we give it the name ground. To make block on the top layer, we only need to do the same thing on the bottom layer. Here I will provide the university logo and my robot team's logo. The method is as follows. You go to the file, then select import, choose image, and find the picture you want to install on the PCB. Then just adjust its thickness. And after that, the PCB we made is truly finished. Then for the printing process, we can directly print it on EasyEDA by going to the file, saving as, and then selecting the local project. After it's done, we can return to the home section of EasyEDA and choose JLCPCB. This will direct us to the JLCPCB webpage, where we just need to input the newly created PCB file. We can also adjust the scale dimension and number of layers used. Next, we choose the PCB color, which has many options, but here I will select the blue color only. Then, we save the chart, proceed with secure checkout, and input our personal data for the payment. Thanks to EasyEDA and JLCPCB, designing and printing my PCB is now faster, easier, and super affordable.